Hey, what's up, JVs? This is James Carter here, and wanted to let you know about our relaunch happening this Saturday at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Okay, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. And it's going to be happening on the Warrior Forum. Obviously, the platform is going to be Warrior Plus. And I want to tell you about our software that did really good on a small scale. Okay, we achieved a very good conversion rate. I got the stats below. We also achieved a very good EPC, okay? And I want to let you know that we're going to relaunch it for one more week on the Warrior Forum before we get it ready for the big market, so to speak. And it's our Curation Fire software plugin. Now, in a moment, I'm going to show you a demo of the software. I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, but first, let me tell you about the front end. We're going to give a very limited license, $17 to $27 dime sale, and we're going to give 75% commission of that. Okay, on the back end or the one-time offer, we're going to give a developer's license along with a case study and then also 3 webinars to help people get going. Now, I want to let you know also the way we set the guarantee up is to help protect you in your sales so that you can protect against serial refunders. We haven't had any refunds at all because the guarantee basically stipulates that they have to use the product, okay? And we've done very good with this. So on the back end, we're going to do $27 to $47 on the dime sale setup, and you're going to get 50% commission of that. Now, what I need you to do is opt in below so that I can keep you posted with all the tools and anything, any updates or anything like that that you may need to help you be successful. Also below, you see my Skype information, my email information. If you need anything at all, you feel like you need anything at all to help you be successful, shoot me over a contact, let me know so I can get you squared away, okay? So let me go ahead and move and show you the demo portion of the software, and then go ahead and opt in using the form on this page, and then I'm going to get you set up, and I'm going to keep in contact with you throughout the week. And we also have some bonuses that are very good that complement the product. Okay, it's not just bonuses that we're just throwing up, it's bonuses that complement the product that helps the product sell even better. So let me go ahead and let me show you the demo of the software now, and I look forward to working with you. Thanks.
Welcome to Curation Fire, the one and only WordPress plugin that lets you curate and create blog posts like no other software on the market. With Curation Fire, you'll be able to increase traffic and sales to your blog while cutting your efforts in half. This ain't your ordinary WordPress plugin. So, what can Curation Fire do? Let's take a look. Once you've downloaded the Curation software, uploading it is a snap. All you have to do is go over to your WordPress plugin area, click on Add New, and then click on the Upload feature. Go ahead and choose the file where you saved it to, and then click on Install Now. Once it's installed, just simply activate the plugin, and you're ready to go. You'll do the same thing whenever you're updating the software as well. See how simple that was? That was done in less than 2 minutes. Let's continue. With Curation Fire, anyone, even newbies, can start using the software within minutes. To get started, all you have to do is go over to the Curation Fire options panel within WordPress and select the options that you would like. In this case, you can choose the user interface, or with Google Imaging, you can choose the licensing as well. Go ahead, choose the options that you want, and then click Save. Once you've saved your options, next you'll need to go to the New Post option within WordPress, where you'll find the software running right up under your post box within WordPress. And because it runs right up under your posting browser, you never have to drag and drop anything. Just click on the button for which action you want, and you'll have a dynamic post to curate in mere minutes. Don't believe me? Let's go ahead and take an example. It's as simple as entering a search term. In this case, we're going to go ahead and use household budget. Select all the sources you want to view, and then press search. The software quickly pulls the results, and now you can view what content you want to add to your post with a few options to choose from. You can choose to set the post as title. You can choose to insert that result into a post, or you can choose just to insert the link into the post as well. The flexibility is there for your convenience, but we're just getting started. Now, with a couple of content sources, you can choose to insert the result into the post or embed the result with only a click of a button. Or if you like, you can do both. Those two are YouTube and SlideShare. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Just enter your search term and choose which option you want, and it will be inserted for ease of use. Simply add your editorial comments to the post and you'll have a post that Google will love to index. You can do this for both YouTube and SlideShare just by clicking on the insert option or using one of the buttons here. But let's keep going. So not only can you use various content sources to search from, but you could also use Google search terms or Google search operators to search from right within Google within Curation Fire. Now, why is this important? Because you'll be able to build more trust with your visitors and subscribers. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to select Google, and then I'm going to keep my search term in here, and then I'm going to press search. Now, remember our example earlier that we used household budget. Well, what if we not only gave a good post, but also gave good reports and or spreadsheets that the visitor can download? With Curation Fire, it's not a problem at all. Simply select Google to search, enter the search string and the keyword. In this case, I'm going to use file type, and I'm going to use PDF, and then I'm going to hit search. And now the software will pull back all those results that are only PDF with that particular keyword. We can do the same thing with an Excel spreadsheet since we're talking about household budget. And then click on search. And there you have it. Now, not only can we have a nice post, we can also insert this result that the person can download right from within our dynamic curated post. But we're still not done. Let's keep going. Another thing that I wanted to be able to do was work right from within my posting area. With Curation Fire, now you can. Want to see an article or video or even a slideshow image before you post it? No problem. Simply click on the expand button or watch the video button, or even with SlideShare, view slideshow. And the content will load right there in front of you, so you never have to leave WordPress. This works for every option in here, with the exception of Twitter and Flickr. Want to see Google Images? No problem. Just click on expand. There you go. SlideShare? No problem. Just click on view slideshow, and then you can also collapse it once you're done. You can go through every option that you want and then click on collapse once you're done. Now, what else can you do with this? Well, let's say if you see an article that you really like, you can also come in and take a quote from that particular article, copy it, and then come up to your posting area, put the quote in, and then put your personal commentary around that as well. And because the software is inside of WordPress, you can work from any browser in the world as long as you have an internet connection. No more being worried about running a desktop solution. With Curation Fire, we make it easy for you to develop search engine ranking and backlinking friendly posts, even if you're using the Business Center computer at a hotel you're staying at. But we're still not done, and I think you're really going to like this next option. Now, we've all been there before, not knowing what to write about and only staring at the computer screen or goofing off with a lack of inspiration. Well, with Curation Fire, you won't have that problem anymore. Simply do a search and then select the Create Random Post option. Once you do that, Curation Fire will then pull one item randomly for all of the content sources that you have selected. If you don't like the results, all you have to do is just clear out everything and then come back and press it again. And this time, Curation Fire will select a different set of items for you, as you can see right here. You can add your own commentary at the beginning and leave the post as is, or dive into it more deeply. The choice is yours, but now you won't have to worry about ever being stuck for content again. Okay, now I know I've covered a lot of features here, but let me share just one more. So let's say that you're going through your items that you searched on and you really like something, but you don't want to use it in a post for that day. No problem. With Curation Fire, you can simply save any piece of content or blog post that you've been working on. Simply enter a post title or use the Set as Post Title button and then click on the save icon next to that particular item. Once you do that, Curation Fire will save it as a draft. You can go into your All Posts area, and now you can edit that piece of content for later use.